Hi, I'm Fergus from SerenataFlowers. Today we're going to be unboxing one of our bunch box bouquets. So step one, you want to pop open your box to unveil your bouquet. The first thing that you'll notice is the flowers arrive in bud format to preserve freshness. Step two, you want to unwrap your flowers and gently remove them from the packaging. So next, you'll want to remove the gel bag and ensure that you clean the bottom of the stems. So next you want to snip the stem. So grab each stem and you want to cut it at a 45-degree angle a couple of inches above the end of the stem. And now you're going to prep your vase. So what you want to do is fill it with some clean room temperature water, add your flower food, and then mix it with one of the stems. And finally, for the fun bit, arranging your flowers in your vase. So a few tips here. You want to really prune the bottom leaves off so that they don't fall below the water line. And then you also want to make sure that you have your showstoppers at the front of the vase. Experimenting with height adds a bit more volume to the bouquet as well. And there you have it, a beautiful bouquet from Serenata Flowers, ready to bloom in your home.